Good day, my name is Sebastian Angelo, C. Carreon, and for our experiment 8, we are tasked to create a system in which rectangular blocks are stamped in a machine. Once the start push button PB1 is pressed, the workpiece is fed into the machine by cylinder 1 from a gravity feed magazine and is clamped in place by the same cylinder. Next, it is stamped by cylinder 2, and after stamping, cylinder 2 retracts, followed by cylinder 1, and once the workpiece is fully declamped, it is ejected by cylinder 3. So for our system, we first used 8 input 8 output logic module with 6 sensors for the desired output of the 3 cylinders extending and retracting, and then PB1 for the start button. First, we connect the 24 volts input and the 0 volt ground output. We connect the outputs of the sensors, each being the extend and retract of cylinder 1, cylinder 2, and cylinder 3. So, sensor 1, which will be the retract of cylinder 1, and S3 is the retract of cylinder 2, and S5 is the retract of cylinder 3, with S2 being the extend of cylinder 1, S3 being S4 being the extend of cylinder 2, and S6 being the extend of cylinder 3. So their outputs will be connected to the input ports of the logic module. So for the actual machinery, we have 3 cylinders with the sensor distances of 100 millimeters and 3 5-way solenoid valves. For the valves, we have spring actuation for the right side and solenoid actuation for the left side. They will be connected to the compressed compressed air, and this will be our machinery. So next, we need to fix the logic circuit of the PLC circuit. We will need one AND module and 7 latching relay modules connected to 7 buffer modules, and then as well as 6 NOT gates, which represent the sensor outputs of the extraction and retraction of cylinder 1, extraction and retraction of cylinder 2, extraction and retraction of cylinder 3. For the last modules, we have additional 3 latching relays with the input 1 connected to input 1, input 2, and input 4 connected to the AND gate. And by connecting the circuit properly in the relays with each AND gate cascading to each next output, to each next desired output, we can create a circuit in which we can achieve the description wherein cylinder 1 will extend, cylinder 2 will extend, cylinder 2 will retract, cylinder 1 will retract, and cylinder 3 will extend and retract. So this is our simulation. As you can see, cylinder 1 extends, followed by cylinder 2 extending as well, cylinder 2 will retract, and then cylinder 1 will finally retract. After that is completed, cylinder 3 will also extend, and cylinder 3 will also retract.